Sa halip na magkasundo, tumindi pa ang tensyon sa pagitan ng Iran at Estados Unidos sa usapin ng nuclear program. Para kay US President Donald Trump, regime change sa Iran ang isa sa nakikita niyang solusyon para matapos ang sigalot. Narito ang Agenda Weekend Report ni Laika Cuevas.
Best thing that could happen. Ganyan tinawag ni US President Donald Trump ang posibleng regime change sa Iran. Kasunod yan ang pagpapadala ng Pentagon ng karagdagang fighter aircraft at tropa sa Middle East. Isang bagay na nagpalala pa umano sa tumitinding tensyon kaugnay ng nuclear program sa Tehran.
Well, it seems like that would be the best thing that could happen. For 47 years, they've been talking and talking and talking. In the meantime, we've lost a lot of lives while they talk, and legs blown off, arms blown off, faces blown off. It's been going on for a long time. So let's see what happens. In the meantime, we have tremendous power has arrived, and additional power, as you know, another carrier is going out shortly. So we'll see it out. If we could get it settled for once and for all, that'd be good.
We want to take off.
But
What would you want to take off?
I don't want to talk about that. There are people.
Nitong nakaraang linggo lang nang magpulong ang US at Iranian officials sa Oman para idaan ang issue sa diplomasya. Pero batay sa huling impormasyon, hindi raw natuwa si Trump sa naging usapan. Ayon sa dalawang US military officials na tumangging magpakilala, basbas na lang ng US President ang hinihintay para umatake. Ayon pa kay Trump, hahabulin nila kahit na pulbos na lang ang mayroon sa Iran.
Iranian nuclear sites have been totally obliterated. What's left to go after you?
Well, you could get whatever the dust is down there. That's really the least of the mission. If we do it, that would be the least of the mission. But we'd probably grab whatever's left. It has been obliterated, as you know.
Sa bahagi ng Tehran, hindi raw sila yuyuko at di magdadalawang isip na gumanti.
We consider the U.S. president guilty, both for the casualties, for the damage, and for the slander he made against the Iranian nation. Also, Americans should know that if they start a war, this time it will be a regional war.
Una na ring nagbanta si Trump na sa oras na gumawa ang Tehran ng military weapons, magiging mabilis ang pagkilos ng Washington.
Well, I don't want to say that, but Iran may be behaving badly. It hasn't been confirmed, but if it's confirmed, look, they know the consequences. Consequences will be very powerful. I'm for stopping Iran very simply from having a nuclear weapon. They can't have a nuclear weapon. I want Iran to be great and prosperous and terrific.
Sa ngayon, nakaabang ang mundo sa posibleng palit rehimen sa Iran o panibagong pag-atake ng Estados Unidos. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Laika Cuevas, Billionaire News Channel.